want to tell you about the wallpaper in A to Z. So some things we need. First, this is level. This is the wallpaper, brush, roll, sponge. This one for the corner. This brush, pencil, blade. This and water, clean water, and some close to. Okay, so we finish all the room. Everything is finished. And tape measure. This is very important. And we want to do the wall. First of all, have to be clean, and if you have some problem, you should repair it and clean. Anyway, this is cleaner. I did it before. And you start from second roll. Okay. This roll is 53 centimeter. So should be like that. But we start from 50. From 50, we start from second one to do this. And after this one, we cut the edge. So this is 50. This is 50. So this is level, you can see. So you make the line. You should know something. You see this elephant, tiger, zebra, elephant, tiger, zebra. This is repeating. So you should know. And after you match it here, like that. Okay. This is become match. I will show you. So I cut it. And after I do the adhesive and the second. So this is first one is very important. So this first one should be level. I make the line, and this first one should be smaller than this. This is 53. I cut it here 50. So when we go to the corner, and we can cut it.